Hi. Today we want to introduce you to Photogate timers for use in Science Olympiad events. There's a shortage of economical timers in the market these days, and you may be aware that a company called Pasco, P-A-S-C-O, makes a Photogate timer, and you see one here at the bottom of the picture. And they typically sell these with a C Photogate, where when you pass things between the edges of the C, it turns the timer on and off. Those don't really work for events like timing vehicles on a track, which Science Olympiad has suggested be done the last couple of years. So what we've got here today is some garage door safety reversal circuits, infrared devices that make your garage door stop coming down and go back up if somebody cuts the beam. And we've modified those to work with a Pasco Photogate timer that you see in front of you. So what we have over here on the right is the receiver, and at the far end of the driveway over here we have the sender unit, which is hooked to just a 6-volt lantern battery, because those things run on 6 volts. And there's one on the right side and one on the left side over there. And then on the near side we've got the receiver, which also works off the same voltage as a Pasco sensors do. And the trick here is we have got these little boxes that look like your telephone jacks, and in fact they are telephone jacks, but inside we've got a little pulse decoder circuit that decodes the pulses that the garage door reversal circuits make into a signal that the Pasco timer will take in and start and stop in its normal function. So let me show you here. Because of the fact that these reversal circuits are pulsed so that they can operate in sunshine and whatnot, and the pulses have to be seen across the gap. So the pulsing is 7 milliseconds in length, so there's up to a 10 millisecond time lag. So to make sure we cut the beam properly, we stuck a flag on the end of a dowel rod here, and as you can see, when this dowel rod and the flag cross the beam is started on the timer, and when it crosses on the other side, it shuts the timer off. So we've got a reading here of 7.017 seconds. These garage door reversal circuits are available. The one we're using here is a LiftMaster model 41A5034, widely used on Sears and other openers, and they're available on Amazon for under $20 per kit. And of course, for a starting and stopping line here, you need 2 kits. So you can get for $40 you can get the garage door circuits. And then what's inside the little phone jacks is a circuit that was designed and put together for us by a company called DAC Tech. And the circuit is shown here on this diagram. It's fairly simple. A couple of resistors, or a bunch of resistors, and a few transistors, and a few capacitors. And DAC Tech is agreeable to making these and selling them to you in a jack box where you can just tie the 2 wires from your garage door reverser circuit into the jack and be all set to use one of the Pasco counters or timers to do the work. So for I'm not sure what DAC Tech will charge for these. It's really going to be a function of what kind of volume they get. But they made us prototypes that are being used here in front of you. So anyway, that's an alternative to using much more expensive laser pointers and laser receivers to do this trick. And it's a whole lot safer because these are infrared garage door reversal circuits that dogs and cats and kids run through all the time and have no concern about any eye damage, because it's just like your TV remote control. And they're very wide beamed, so you don't have to spend a lot of time aligning the receiver to the sender. They pretty well see each other from most any angle. So that's the nature of the beast, and appreciate you listening to this. And if you want some help with a safe and effective and economical Photogate timer circuit for your Science Olympiad events, get a hold of DAC Tech. It's dactechllc@gmail.com, and you can also find some information on the Delaware Science Olympiad website. Thank you very much.